I for some back and see na me the video be bremo. I just have make a chair say na tornado and make some wild allegations be against Afia Schwar. The catcher say Afia Schwar ahwe ne bra Richard e ma say so social media so there and the obobina adebeche Richard aban bunsu say so social media so there enya sem keto me Afia Schwar abesre senke be yanka Ghana for man in the privacy na so me catch say privacy no enye assured and enye promised ampa na tornado chair say enye promised e ma just allegations obeye do Afia Schwar e dey ho response aba answer na be call response so no yintin say na tornado e kan ye on the most recent video.
Almost started sympathizing with Bolanga because Bolanga say the brother weu. I see. If you all do it, toto, you won't change, and you will never change, bitch. If you over public sympathy. Public sympathy now if you are open it. What about teacher affidavit as what Ghana for say, oh brother, where if you oh brother? I see, do you have a brother? I see, we've been together more than 14-15 years. Roughly. You don't have any brother anywhere, hey? Ghana for guy now if you have to say guy can say, any brother no, guy no, any brother. Guy no of South Africa, and I buy. Oh, you come as a boy. I don't know my dear one sign. It is a very if you guy better than Unia. Sir, in your break, also. I'll go for the break. If you are say, only Richard, Express Jessica, Sesenia, only quadio was your penny, Express Jessica. Yeah, I see Bolanga there. Yeah, they say, oh, you're very smart. If you open say only Richard, Express Jessica, she says that you're going to penny woo, you know. Only this Jessica, and the Dano. Our packers are wrong. Got for guy that we know. And yet, if you're a guy, did you be a guy, you know? And yet, say, a guy, you know. Hey, Mamma Sawa. Mamma Sawa, he's saying. So, meaning that I want to walk or cocktails today. Mamma Sawa, who ever won you, no? Sawa, Matse, yes, Mose, Muko see a Unia Richard, Akumaso be a friend of Bang. Matse, I say, Mose, Muko see no. Tessa Akoko. Ah, that's how I don't know. Father, hey, Richard, the brother over Germany, I am for father. Father, na ada na mumesa busia munya de tsa akoko sa. Munya se nya no. Obi adu say Richard se nya no. Richard fi South Africa by obi adu say Afia Schwar fie and Richard say. It is alleged. It is alleged. Sir. Richard we fear and Richard said home for no. And if you didn't go Kumasi. 2 weeks pepe and Richard eko wu agogo hospital. You see, Richard Ibabe Wuno. It is alleged. Get say. You see, Richard Ibabe Wuno. Richard say. Now, that for power burn on anything. And I'm on a poison. Because you see, Richard Ibabe Wuno. Richard say. Niyem. Ayaya. It is my Mr. Why? My Mr. Why his sign. Richard didn't have my Mr. Why. Abide in your Mr. Why his sign. Father, I want Germany. It's a boss, sir. Namunya and West Yet is a Sakoko. As I will autopsy. Because you say Richard, if I will Richard say on one downfall. And one poisoner. And the other will be said just a figure. As I will be said, because I see if you and another Richard, if you South Africa by no. Oh, what? It's my Mr. I want his sign. Father, I want Germany. Mamma said, they is Yamuniano. Tisakoko.
Now for that to cast handsome we no. No be fi say bia be so ha say bia oh or church mu say oh Afia Schwar nya ne brother ne Richard emu ho no saso koka say oh alleged no Richard ye dey call hospital Kumase no or say na down for being a poison it young question Afia Schwar go making all these wild allegations area no or say be post we our Instagram so answer na because my make say click for and so ya my video see e bro click for provide a produce skincare products e ma skin any da so ye tuntum so ye kokko click for our products at the mouth I just say dark spots na wo knuckles so pimples rashes be what I say in san be just say dia ye we ni mama or skin any da bia no click for our products at the mouth website no www.etcmart.com and also www.claycase.com. It's way any someone na tornado after so record the video we no or the betu dia our Instagram so into post here say Asibolanga, why are you begging for forgiveness? Now this was a reaction to a poster Afia Schwar and make ye what I say I just a post the caption of the two moon say God forgive me if I have wronged you. Please God and no na tornado ko screen record here and post it on Instagram so and this caption it was say Asibolanga, why are you begging God for forgiveness? Now this goes on to create the impression say allegedly no Afia Schwar any bibi. What I say, Sana Nanatunadu, that's the impression or person create and I said that's the messenger or person put it across because this was right after or recorded that particular video for Afia Schwar. Now I know and the Afia Schwar and I pay or also edit by Instagram and then they'll be posting Richard picture biome and or choose handsome we was here. Says Nanatunadu in him the relationship between Onu Afia Schwar and Richard. In him how or value Richard. Just another to way to be making those allegations, and you school, you know. Say, if you have a minute, let me tell you about my brother Richard or Saibusu, whether also any brother or sister or any brother. Or say the man that dedicated his life to serving me, driving me, taking care of my children, managing some of my companies. Or say, let me tell you about the man that won't tolerate any form of disrespect on me. The one that will smell your bad deeds from a long distance. Let me tell you about my bestie that will take the bullet so I can live. He was shot in South Africa in the arm just because I wanted Ghana food and he took it upon himself to go out in the night just to satisfy my cravings. And so I said, Richard, I don't know if I should say I bet you made in the bonnet. Saying an tornado person created that impression on social media. So because Richard no, we take a bullet among you if you are snake and that. And I do not know if you are snake and so dig enough food. But only Richard was South Africa. But Richard it take a bullet for me if you are snake and it's a there obi to me upon. But see, so yes, he took a bullet for me. Let me tell you about my brother who was also my nurse, bathing me and feeding me on my hospital bed for 6 months. Or be no if you say Ghana for 6 months no. Richard Neshe no. Into obey to your friend and brother. What say? Let me tell you about my blood that have something funny to say about any situation. Oh gosh, the day we took that to the morgue, SMH, everyone couldn't stop laughing. Let me tell you about my wisdom boss, my account and cultural teacher. Let me tell you about my partner in crime, the one that got a very nasty name for each of my haters. And I say, Richard, no Wedima, a fresh nigga haters in no Wedima delay, no Wedima Mesbro, or Wedima and Tornado, Obia, Richard no Wedima, Omo. May I sure send Cortiasia, and Kobe Wedding at the Amado Pianso. What's it? Oh, Nabonsu, Wahame. Kojo, I just want to hear your voice. Rest in peace. Now, this statement is the first nigga, a trainer. Meaning, someone Trono, Kekesa. What I say? Me, I sure say it was triggered by allegations, any impression that to now the person created on social media. So no if fresh nigga and has a hand in Richard New and also in BB. So no if fresh nigga and person de Richard J Hype. So no if fresh nigga and person de Richard de Pace Scania that no chere or dra or woman Richard. Just a Richard Wono Hano. Say Richard no or call all length for no if fresh nigga no. It's a new idea or no if fresh nigga no able to me taking Richard for granted. And also bit me Richard Bonnet. And now post Richard the Yimpo no. Edi obetumi edi apiska na yodo kan onodo ono Richard. Therefore, when you first thing and some abecho after na tornado record this video no be make it post no bisa say aden the first nigga e bege for forgiveness. Ubetumi achewadwe e comment section na Facebook follow ye e Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, bibia ego624.com and ego624 TV. Magraheb.